Apparently we've got a drippy tub faucet in the kids' bathroom. My wife asked me to fix it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a leaky tub faucet. It's one of the good things about living in an old house. Plenty of subject matter for videos like this. Now, I'm no plumber, but I think we can handle this. So don't forget to subscribe and come on. So this is actually a Delta single handle faucet. It's got a slow, consistent drip. So the first thing you want to do is actually turn the water off. Once the water's off, you want to actually open the valve of the faucet you're working on and let the extra water drain out. Next, you want to close the drain so that nothing goes down the drain and you don't lose any parts. Or put a towel down to cover it. So unscrew the handle to reveal the set screw. Then use your Allen wrench to loosen the set screw. Now remove the handle. Remove the trim sleeve. This should just slide off again. Apply pressure, pulling backwards. And this will expose the valve cartridge. So this is what we have to remove. The valve cartridge is actually held in place with this bonnet nut. You can remove the bonnet nut with a strap wrench, which I don't think most people have, so I just use channel lock pliers to loosen it and then pull it off. And then remove the cartridge. And again, it might be kind of tight in there, so apply pressure, wiggle up and down, side to side, and just pull back and try and get that out. A little bit of water coming out is normal. Now, if you don't already have the replacement cartridge, if you didn't know what it was, you can take this down to your local hardware store and find one that matches. Or you may have to try a plumbing supply house. So when you get your replacement valve, you want to study it and make sure that everything looks the same. All right, I think we got the right one. After you pull the cartridge out, look inside to make sure that you don't see damaged metal. If you have some plumber's grease, you want to lubricate any of the rubber gaskets on the new cartridge. Make sure you have the hot side lined up on the left and that these notches are lined up, and then push it in. You also want to grease this O-ring behind the bonnet nut. Put the bonnet nut back on, hand tight, and then take your pliers and always go a quarter turn more. Put the trim sleeve back on, the handle, tighten the set screw with your Allen wrench, and then screw the handle back in. Turn the water on, let it run, and then shut it off and see if it stopped the drip. Well, this wasn't that difficult. I think it's something you can totally do yourself. There are different brands and they're put together slightly different ways, but the basics should be the same. Your main objective is to get to that cartridge and replace it. There are some brands that require a specialty tool called a cartridge puller. You may have to run to the hardware store and pick that up if it's recessed too deep into the fixture and you can't get a hold of it to get it out. Just keep track of the parts that you pull off and the order in which you pull them off so that you can put it back together in the reverse order. If you ever feel like you've gotten in over your head, stop and call a plumber that you trust to come and bail you out, I guess. But if you found this information helpful and informative, give us a thumbs up. Let us know that you like the videos that we're making. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notifications next time our next video comes out. Anyway, I don't know. I should probably stop talking. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.